Welcome to Sir Dude's Classroom. Isa na namang video ang mapapanood nyo ngayong araw na ito. Kung ngayon ka lang nadalaw sa channel na ito, nais na kitang i-invite na pakiclick yung subscribe now na makikita mo sa screen or yung subscribe button sa ibaba. At pakiclick din ang notification bell para pag nag-upload ako ng bagong video ay manonotify kayo. At please lang paki-click din ang like button. Sa mga dati ng subscriber ng channel na ito, maraming salamat sa patuloy na suporta. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana ang channel na ito ay nakakatulong upang kayo ay maging math wizard. Our topic for today is the second part of division of polynomials. So, second part na to, a binomial divisor. Kasi yung first part ay a monomial divisor. So, bago ko i-discuss sa inyo yung a binomial divisor, i-review muna natin yung a monomial divisor. So, meron akong isang example na ipapakita sa inyo. 12x cubed plus 24x to the 5th power minus 60x to the 4th power divided by 4x squared. So, pansinin nyo, the terms of the dividend are not arranged in descending order. When you rewrite the polynomials, be sure to rewrite the terms in descending order. So, ito yun. Ganito yun. So, 24x to the 5th power minus 60x to the 4th power plus 12x cubed divided by 4x squared. So, first, we will divide 24x to the 5th power by 4x squared. So, 24 divided by 4 is 6. Ayan. And then, x to the 5th power divided by x squared is x cubed. And then, go to the next step, multiply. By the way, mga ka-classroom, ang process sa pagdi-divide ay divide, multiply, subtract. When you subtract, change the sign of the subtrahend to opposite and then bring down. Once you bring down, go back to the first step, then divide again. No? Ganun lang ang process, paulit-ulit lang. Hanggang sa wala ka nang may bring down. So, nasa second step na tayo, multiply. So, 6 times 4 is 24. Then, x squared times x cubed is x to the 5th power. Ayan, subtract. Change the sign of the subtrahend to opposite. Yung positive magiging negative. And then, simplify. So, this is 24 plus negative 24. Or 24 minus 24. So, 24x to the 5th power minus 24x to the 5th power is 0. So, ika-cancel na lang natin siya kasi 0 naman. Ayan. And then, i-bring down natin si negative 60x to the 4th power. Tapos, once nag-bring down, babalik sa first step, divide. So, kasama yung signs, negative divided by positive is negative. 60 divided by 4 is 15. And x to the 4th power divided by x squared is x squared. And then, multiply na naman. Negative times positive is negative. Or positive times negative is negative. 4 times 15 is 60. Then x squared times x squared is x to the 4th power. Then subtract. Change the sign to opposite. So 0 na yan. Cancel natin. And then bring down. Pag nang bring down, pwedeng kasama si positive, pwedeng hindi. Kasi pag positive, understood na yon. Ayan. So, positive divided by positive is positive. Then, 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then, x cubed divided by x squared is x. Then, multiply again. Positive times positive is positive. Pwede nang hindi isulat yan. 3 times 4 is 12. Then, x times x squared is x cubed. Then, subtract. Change the sign to opposite. And then, 0 na yan. So, wala nang i-bring down. 0 ang difference. Ibig sabihin, the division is exact. Walang remainder. So, this is the quotient. 6x cubed minus 15x squared plus 3x. Yan yung example sa division of polynomials by a monomial. Let's go now to division of polynomials a binomial divisor. Be careful with this, Or always remember this. In dividing polynomials, always arrange the polynomials in descending order and insert 0 as a placeholder if a term is missing. So kasi minsan may mga missing terms, no? Para hindi tayo ma-confuse, huwag tayong malito, magsulat tayo ng mga missing terms. Okay? Ang missing terms, 0 ang coefficient, tapos yung variable. No? Ganun lang yon. So, example, 4x squared minus 9. So, pag nire-write natin ito, magiging 4x squared, medyo malayo si negative 9. May space, no? Ayan, negative 9 or minus 9. Pwedeng hindi ka na magsulat ng missing term, space na lang pwede na yon, no? Sapat na yung space. Pero ako mas gusto ko yung merong missing term, isusulat yung missing term. So ilagay natin, mag-a-add lang tayo. Pwede namang subtract, pero wala namang effect kahit plus or minus, no? Walang effect 'yon. So plus na lang para isang ano lang tayo, isang rule lang. So plus 0x. So yan yung missing term. Kasi dapat ang exponents ng variables 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 tapos 0. In this case, no, yung x to the 0 power after 9, x to the 0 power. So hindi na sinusulat yun kasi 1 yun. So, negative 9 times 1 is negative 9. So, ito ang missing term. Plus 0x. Ayan. Meron pa akong isang example. Ayan. 8x cubed plus 27. So, hindi lang isa ang missing term dyan. 8x cubed plus 27. So, ano ang missing terms? Una, plus 0x squared. Pangalawa, plus 0x. So, yan yung mga missing terms. Plus 0x squared at saka plus 0x. Okay, let's go now to the examples of division of polynomials by a binomial divisor. Example number 1. Quantity x squared plus 10x plus 21 divided by quantity x plus 3. Notice that the polynomials are already arranged in descending order. So, hindi na natin kailangan i-arrange. I-rewrite na lang natin siya using the algorithm. Ayan. So, x squared plus 10x plus 21 divided by x plus 3. So, ito yung rule ng a binomial divisor. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. First terms lang lagi ang i-divide natin. So, in this case, the first term of the dividend is x squared. And the first term of the divisor is x. So, yun lang i-divide natin. X squared divided by x or x squared over x. So, ganun lang yon. The answer is x. So, write x sa taas ni x squared. Ayan, x. Then, magmumultiply tayo ng dalawang beses. X times x is x squared. And then, positive times positive is positive. Kasama yung sign sa imumultiply. Tapos, 3 times x is 3x. Ayan. Then, subtract. Change the sign. So, yung positive magiging negative. Kung negative yan, magiging positive. Pero in this case, positive pareho. So, magiging negative. And then, simplify na, x squared plus negative x squared. Kaya pwede tayong kumanta sa isip dito. No? Or x squared minus x squared. So, 0 na yan. So, i-cancel na lang natin kasi 0 naman. Ayan. Then, positive 10x plus negative 3x. Kakanta sa isip, different sign, subtract. Copy the sign of the bigger number. Yan. So, 10 minus 3 is 7. Then, copy lang si x. And the bigger number is positive. So, no need to write the positive sign. Kasi understood na yan. So, bring down natin ngayon si positive 21. Ayan. Pagkatapos mo mag-bring down, go back to the first step, divide. So, 7x divided by x. So, positive divided by positive is positive. Kasama yung sign, ha? So, 7x divided by x or kapareho lang ito ng 7x over x. So, ang sagot ay 7. Then, multiply. X times 7 is 7x. Then, positive times positive is positive. Then, 3 times 7 is 21. And then, subtract. Change the sign. Ayan. So, 0 na yan. Pati yung 21 minus 21, 0 na yan. So, the difference is 0. So, the final answer is x plus 7. Pwede mong i-check yung sagot mo, no? So, i-multiply mo lang si quotient, yung x plus 7, and the dividend, yung x plus 3. I-multiply mo lang yan at babalik doon sa dividend, yung x squared plus 10x plus 21. Hindi ko na ipapakita. Kayo na lang mag-check. Example number 2. Quantity 7x minus 12 plus 10x squared divided by quantity 3 plus 2x. Pansinin nyo, hindi naka-arrange ang mga terms. So, when you rewrite this, arrange the terms in descending order. So, 10x squared plus 7x minus 12 divided by 2x plus 3. So, divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So, 10x squared divided by 2x. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then, x squared divided by x is x. Once lang magdi-divide, twice magmumultiply. 2x times 5x. So 2 times 5 is 10. X times x is x squared. Tapos na tayo kay 2x, kay 3 naman. So positive 3. Positive times positive is positive. Then 3 times 5 is 15. Then copy lang si x. Subtract. Change the sign of the subtrahend to opposite. Yung positive magiging negative. Ayan. And then, simplify. So, 10x squared minus 10x squared is 0. So, i-cancel na lang natin. Then, positive 7x plus negative 15x. Pwedeng kumanta sa isip. Different signs, subtract. So, magkaiba ng signs. Si 7 is positive, si 15 is negative. So, subtract. 15 minus 7 is 8. Copy lang si x. Copy the sign of the bigger number. So, si 15 yung malaki. Ang sign ni 15 is negative. So, copy negative. Saka natin i-bring down yung next term, yung negative 12. Pagkatapos mag-bring down, divide na naman. Kasama yung signs. So, negative divided by positive. Yung 2x ang ipang-divide natin yung 2x. Ang i-divide natin yung negative 8x. So, negative divided by positive is negative. Then, 8x divided by 2x is 4. Ayan. So, multiply na naman tayo. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. And then negative 4 times positive 3 is negative 12. Ayan. Change the sign to opposite. So, negative magiging positive. Ayan. And then simplify. So, 0 na yan. Cancel na lang. Ayan. So, the division is exact, 0 or no remainder. So, the quotient is 5x minus 4. Example number 3. Quantity x squared minus 9 divided by quantity x plus 3. So, i-rewrite natin using the algorithm. Ayan. Meron tayong missing terms or missing term. So, isulat natin yung missing term. So, magsusulat tayo ng plus 0x. Kasi dapat sunod-sunod yung exponent, no? 2, 1, tapos yung negative 9x to the 0 power yon. So, 2, 1, 0. Ayan. Kaya maglalagay tayo ng plus 0x. Tapos, same lang yung process. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. X squared divided by x is x. Then, multiply twice. X times x is x squared. So, tapos ka na kay x, kay positive 3 naman. X times positive 3 is positive 3x. Subtract. Change the sign of the subtrahend to opposite. So, yung positive magiging negative. And then, simplify. 0 na yan. Ito. 0x minus 3x. Or 0x plus negative 3x. Ang sagot dyan is negative 3x. Ayan, negative 3x. And then, saka natin i-bring down si negative 9. Ayan. Bring down negative 9. And then, divide again the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor. Negative 3x divided by x. So, same lang yan ng negative 3x over x. So, makakancel yung x. Ang natira is negative 3. And then, multiply again. Yung x sa divisor multiplied by negative 3 sa quotient. So, the product is negative 3x. Tapos yung positive 3 sa divisor, imumultiply natin sa negative 3 sa quotient, negative 9. And then, change the sign to opposite. Ayan. 0 na yan. 0 na yan. Oh, 0 ang difference. Ngayon, wala tayong remainder. So, the division is 7. So, the quotient is x minus 3. Example number 4. Quantity 25x squared minus 16 divided by 5x minus 4. So, meron tayong missing term dito. Mag-leave tayo ng space para sa missing term. So, i-rewrite natin. Ayan. So, 25x squared minus 16, mayroong space, divided by 5x minus 4. So, i-write natin yung missing term. Ayan, plus 0x. Then, divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So, 25x squared divided by 5x or 25x squared over 5x. So, ang sagot dyan is 25 divided by 5 is 5. Then, x squared divided by x is x. Ayan. Twice magmumultiply. So, 5x times 5x is 25x squared. Then, negative 4 times 5x is negative 20x. Ulit-ulit lang yung process. Subtract, change the sign of the subtrahend to opposite. Yung negative, yung positive magiging negative, yung negative magiging positive. And then, ayan na, 0 na yan. 25x squared minus 25x squared is 0. Then, positive 0x, hindi positive, 0x plus positive 20x is positive 20x. So, ayan, 20x na lang. Kasi understood na yun na positive pag walang sign. So, saka natin i-bring down si negative 16. Ayan. Then, balik na naman tayo sa first step. Divide. 20x divided by 5x or positive divided by positive is positive. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Then, x divided by x is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Kaya 4 na lang ang nakasulat dun sa taas. Wala na si x. And then, multiply twice. 5x times 4 is 20x. Negative 4 times positive 4 is negative 16. Ayan, subtract. Change the sign to opposite. Simplify. 20x minus 20x, 0. So, i-cancel natin. Negative 16 plus 16, 0. Cancel. So, ang difference ay 0. So, the quotient is 5x plus 4. Example number 5. Quantity 30 plus 6x cubed minus 9x divided by quantity 6 plus 3x. Again, hindi naka-arrange sa descending order yung mga terms. Pag nire-write natin sila, dapat in descending order. So, 6x cubed minus 9x plus 30 divided by 3x plus 6. Okay, meron tayong space. kasi merong missing term. Isulat muna natin yung missing term. Ano yung missing term? 0x ba? Hindi 0x kasi may negative 9x na doon. Hindi 0x ang missing term. Ang missing term ay plus 0x squared. Kasi dapat sunod-sunod yan. X cubed, x squared, x to the first power, tapos x to the 0 power. Sunod-sunod. No? Hindi dapat madoble. No? Kasi pag x lang yung ginawa natin, 0x, dalawa na yung x. Walang x squared. So, dapat x plus 0x squared talaga. And then, divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. 6x cubed divided by 3x. The quotient is 2x squared. And then, multiply dalawang beses. 3x times 2x squared is 6x squared. No, 6x cubed. Tapos, positive times positive is positive. 2x squared times 6 or 6 times 2x squared is 12x squared. Ayan, wala ka nang i-multiply. Na-multiply mo na si 3x. Na-multiply mo na si 6. So, dalawang beses lang. Subtract ka na. So, negative, change the sign. Then, simplify. 0 na yan. Then, 0 plus negative 12 is negative 12. Copy lang si x squared. Saka natin i-bring down si negative 9x. Ayan. I-bring down natin. Pag nag-bring down, babalik sa first step, divide. So, divide negative 12x squared by 3x. Negative divided by positive is negative. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then, x squared divided by x is x. Ayan, tapos na. Na-divide si negative 12x squared. Magmumultiply naman tayo dalawang beses. So, yung 3x is positive, so positive times negative is negative. Then, 3 times 4, 12. X times x, x squared. Tapos na si 3x i-multiply, si positive 6 naman. Positive times negative is negative. Then 6 times 4 is 24. Then si x, copy lang. Subtract. Change the sign. Ayan. Simplify. 0 na yan. Ito, kakanta sa isip. Negative 9 plus positive 24. So, different sign, subtract. 24 minus 9 is 15. Si x, copy lang. Copy the sign of the bigger number. Positive. So, hindi na kailangan isulat. So, 15x. Saka natin, i-bring down si 30. Ayan, bring down positive 30. And then divide again. 15x divided by 3x. So, 15 muna divided by 3 is 5. So, positive, no? Positive divided by positive is positive. Ayan. Then, 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then, x divided by x is 1. So, 1 times 5 is 5. Kaya 5 na lang yung nasa taas. And then, multiply twice. 3x times 5 is 15x. Then, positive 6 times positive 5 is positive 30. Then, divide. Change the sign. Cancel kasi 0. Cancel kasi 0. So, 0 ang difference. So, the quotient is 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. Example number 6. Ayan. Quantity 27x cubed plus 64 divided by quantity 3x plus 4. So, i-rewrite natin. Yan yung solution. Ayan. So, pansinin nyo, merong space. Kasi dalawa ang missing terms. Kasi x cubed, tapos x to the 0 power. So, dalawa ang nawawala. X squared at saka x. So, magsulat tayo. I-supply natin yung missing terms plus 0x squared. Yung pangalawa plus 0x. Then, divide. 27x cubed divided by 3x is 27 muna divided by 3 is 9. Then x cubed divided by x is x squared. Multiply twice. 9 times 3 is 27. Then x squared times x is x cubed. Then positive times positive is positive. 9 times 4 is 36. Then x squared, copy lang. Okay. Kung hindi tayo nagsulat ng missing term at hindi tayo naglagay ng space, yung 64 nasa itaas ng 36x squared. So, hindi sila masisimplify kasi unlike terms sila. So, kaya medyo malayo si 64. So, subtract. Change the sign. So, yung 27x cubed minus 27x cubed is 0. I-cancel natin. Tapos 0 plus negative 36, negative 36. Copy lang si x squared. Saka natin i-bring down si plus 0x. Ayan, i-bring down natin si plus 0x. Tapos divide ulit. Negative divided by positive is negative. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Then x squared divided by x is x. Tapos ka na mag-divide, multiply twice. Kasama yung signs. Positive times negative is negative. 3 times 12 is 36. X times x is x squared. Tapos mo na i-multiply si negative 12x kay 3x. Kay positive 4 naman. So, 4 times negative 12 is negative 48. Copy lang si x. Ayan. Subtract. Change the sign. Negative 36 plus 36 is 0. So, cancel na lang natin. Tapos, 0 plus 48 is 48x. And then, bring down si positive 64. Ayan. Bringing down na natin. Mag-divide tayo ulit. 48 divided by 48x divided by 3x. So, 48x divided by 3x, positive divided by positive is positive. 48x divided by 3x is 16. Wala na si x, ha? Kasi magiging x over x yun eh. Or x divided by x. 1 ang sagot. 16 times 1 is 16. Yun. So, 16 times 3x is 48x. Then, positive 4 times positive 16 is positive 64. Subtract. Change the sign of the subtrahend to opposite. Positive will become negative. Ayan. And then simplify. So, 48x minus 48x is 0. 64 minus 64 is also 0. So, 0 na yung difference. So, the quotient is 9x squared minus 12x plus 16. So, that is how to divide polynomials by a binomial divisor. Meron tayong practice exercises ngayon for a binomial divisor. Ayan, practice exercises. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, kapag nasa screen na yung given, i-pause nyo muna yung video. Then, kapag tapos na kayo, saka nyo i-play ulit para ma-reveal yung sagot. Sa ganung paraan, malalaman nyo kung tama or mali ang sagot niya. Okay? And, remember, for every mistake, there is learning. Ha? A wise man learns from his own mistakes. Diba? Meron tayong kasabihan nun. So, pag nag-solve tayo, tapos chinek natin yung sagot natin, mali, may learning doon. Ay, dapat pala ganito ang ginawa ko, kaya ako nagkamali. O, sa susunod, hindi na natin makukumit yung mistake na yan. Okay? But, meron din kasabihan, no? A wiser man learns from the mistakes of others. So, yan ay quotation ni Engineer Rafael Cruz, no? Yung friend ko na isang engineer na graduate ng Mapua. Sinabi niya, ni-revise niya yung yung quotation na yun eh. A wiser man learns from the mistakes of others. So, ito na yung problem. Ayan. Start nyo na. Pwede nyo nang i-pause para hindi agad ma-reveal yung sagot. Check your own work. Practice honesty in checking. And sana merong learning sa bawat mistake. Ha? Ito na yung sagot. Sorry, hindi ko na edit yung divide na following. dapat dyan answer key or key to corrections. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. This is Sir Dudsnik Daw saying, always do what is right because you can never be wrong in doing what is right. Goodbye! Sandali lang, nag-video ako. Salamat, my son!